Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Pan Flamingo Power Wash. Back with another video for you guys. Today I'm out working in Palm Harbor, Florida, which is about 45 minutes west of Tampa. I got this lead here through another pressure washing company, believe it or not. We met at a supply store, and he doesn't do any paver sealing, so he passed me on this job here. So I appreciate it. Thank you. You know, it's good to make those connections. You know, we're not all what you call it, competition. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, sometimes you might need help from another guy. You know, you never know. So it's good to, you know what I'm saying, get in your area and, you know what I'm saying, link up with somebody. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, y'all can do some business together. Some jobs are too big, you might need help. Some jobs, you know what I'm saying, maybe out of your, you know what I'm saying, comfort zone, and you might need to pass it on to somebody else. But like I said, we're doing a paver sealing here. These pavers are not too bad. As you can tell, it's still the sand in between up here. Some of the areas over here has bigger gaps, but for the most part, whoever did it last did a good job. It's been a while, so it needs to be, you know what I'm saying, resealed. Yes, it just needs to be cleaned up and resealed. There's no big gaps. I did see a chip paver over here, or whatever this is. Make sure I document that. I'll be using my silacast paver sealer. So, you know, it's put in the pump sprayer and you're good to go. It's a water-based sealer. So you got a lot of algae in between here, caked up in the middle. Oh, that would come up when I clean up with the surface cleaner. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and fire my machine up. Go ahead and downstream this pool deck with the sud sucker, and after that, I'm gonna let it sit for a good 10 minutes. Make sure I get all the algae in between the cracks, and I'll start my sealing process. All right, guys, so we got the pool deck all cleaned up. I started drying it a little bit more with the blower just to give me a little, you know what I'm saying, leg up on the time. But it's sunny out here today, so that's helping me dry them out real good right now. I should be ready to go and start sealing. Good thing about this pool cage is that, you know what I'm saying, or pool deck, it has a cage around it, so I don't have to worry about a lot of debris falling on the pool deck as I'm cleaning or sealing. So As I'm going around, I'm just double checking to see if anything is left over in the cracks, getting those up. You don't want to seal that. But everything looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the sealer now. Alright guys, paver sealing is all done. Very happy with the outcome. I think the customer's gonna be happy too. Alright, let's back it up, head to the next job. I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we're here at the second job. We're doing a roof cleaning here. As you can tell, this roof is not even that dirty because I don't think it's that old. I got this job here through a roofing company that I deal with. Anytime they have anything like this happens within a couple of years or before it's supposed to get dirty, they send me out to clean it. This customer here got a letter from the HOA, so I can see some dark streaks over here on the right here on the edge. That's probably why they sent in the letter. This house has no gutters on the front, but let me show you guys the side. I already went in and watered down all these plants already. Gutters has no downspouts. It's crazy. I never seen this before. But luckily for this, it's coming down where there's no grass, so I'm lucky with that. But this one here is coming down right on the grass, so I'm just gonna flood the area before I do this back side. So right now it's nice and wet. We're gonna get it nice and wet down here and then move on. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go up there and start spraying. I got the front half of the roof all treated. Like I said, this roof is not even that bad. I only had a couple of spots with algae, so it's not gonna make a dramatic difference like it usually does when you hit it with the 5%. But the stains that were there are gone. This backside here is not even that dirty. The customer told me this is a new part. This is a new roof back here, so I don't think I'm gonna touch it, man. It's looking good. There's no point, you know. I just let the roofing company know. But I'm done here. Let's head to the third job for the day. All right, guys, we're all set up right here with the third job for the day. I'm doing a house wash here in Seminole, Florida. Nice little house. Paint looks great, but she just has a lot of algae in, on the surface and also on the overhangs. I am doing a whole house wash. Make sure I take all the windows, There is some plants around, have to be careful around, but for the most part, it's gonna be an easy job. You know, you can tell there's a lot of algae up here in the, on the surface and also on the fascia of the house. But the paint itself looks beautiful, man. I love this color right here. This is a nice little historic area in Tampa. It's called Seminole Heights. And you know, they've been rebuilding it, making it look nice lately. But we're gonna do this house wash here. We're gonna start from this back on this front side here and wrap around and go back to the front of the house, which is the van is over there in this corner. Let's get it. All right, now we're ready to rinse. All right, guys, we are done for the day. Did the sidewalk, the driveway, and the house. The concrete is looking good. Let's go check out the house. Did some mud dauber removal for her. As you can tell, the fascia is nice and clean. No streaks. Had some algae up here. Got rid of that. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video.